Hey guys, Billy Alt, 700 Credit Repair. Thanks for watching today's 90-second credit tip. Today's credit tip is about inquiries. Stop worrying about inquiries. Stop putting so much focus on inquiries. The truth of the matter is, inquiries really don't hurt you what people think that they hurt you. So a couple of examples of that. Let's say you're looking at cars, vehicles, or even a mortgage. If a mortgage banker or a mortgage bank, or even an automobile dealership or an automobile lender, if they pull your credit, any hard inquiry from the same type of subscriber, be it a mortgage bank, mortgage office, whatever, or an automobile dealership or an automobile lender, any inquiry, it doesn't matter if there's 100 of them, any inquiry within 30 days of that first inquiry, it counts as one inquiry. You'll have all the inquiries listed, but FICO recognizes all of those inquiries as just one inquiry. They don't mind you shopping. If you have a, say a 700 credit score, you may want to go around and shop and get the best interest rate and all that stuff. So as soon as that first inquiry gets pulled, any inquiry for 30 days after, if it's a mortgage bank or if it's an automobile dealership or automobile lender, all of those inquiries are recognized as just one inquiry. So it may be a couple of points, but I have people all the time message me or call me, text me, whatever, and they'll say, hey, I've got 30 automobile inquiries and my score dropped 80 points. Well, that's not what's causing the score drop. You may have 20 or 30 inquiries, but you're only getting a point drop or a point hit, and it may not even be a point drop or a point hit for that one inquiry. So don't focus on inquiries. Don't worry about inquiries. In fact, I like to say about credit, the makes sense switch that we all have in our head, when it comes to credit, you need to turn that off because some of it just doesn't make sense. But, again, FICO, the algorithm allows you to shop, allows you to look around. Now, when it comes to bank cards, credit cards, loans, stuff like that, not the case. Every inquiry stands on its own. But as far as mortgages or autos, one inquiry or 50, as long as they're within 30 days of the first, counts as one. So don't worry about that. And if you think that the inquiries on your credit report is what's dropping your score or hurting you, then shoot me a message or call us at 972-279-0444, and I'm happy to look at your credit report, analyze it, read the score codes, and find out exactly what it is that's doing the damage or doing the point drop or whatever. So with that being said, I hope y'all have a very, very blessed weekend and make it a great one. Thanks, y'all.